room tour. Okay, so let's start with the door. So I have my towel here hanging and my key, and then we got a light switch over here which turns on the main light over there. And then we got this whole like wardrobe and study desk. And yeah, I got my luggage over there, and we got the wardrobe. Honestly, a lot of space. So as you can see, these are all my clothes and jackets and more clothes down there. I even got my yoga mat, my yoga block, and my bag. So yeah, lots of space. And then we move on to the study desk. Oh, I got the light on. But yeah, we got this. So I got some stuff over there, my crochet yarn and my empty boxes, like shoe boxes. And I got my folder, my notebooks, my cute plushies, my fruits over here, like snacks. And then we have this huge mirror, which is really nice. And yeah, you got the light that you can turn on. It's really good, like if you're doing your skincare, your makeup, like it's huge. And then we got my shower supplies over here, my like washing stuff over there, and a banana. I got my water there and my setup. So usually my keyboard will be here, but since I'm taking notes with the iPad, so I moved my keyboard over here. And I got my plugs as well. And this, my favorite part of my room, is the wall of memories. So there's actually another light over here. Ooh. So usually I just use these two lights. Honestly, I rarely use this light. I always use this light to study because I feel like it's more than enough light. So you don't really need to buy a desk lamp. So yeah, this is really nice because if I'm like sitting down, oh yeah, there's the chair. If I'm like sitting down and like doing my stuff and I'm unmotivated, I can always just look back up and like, oh, there's so many people supporting me, so I shouldn't be unmotivated. So yeah, honestly, I really, really love this. And yeah, it's like my emotional support. And then down here, it's just like my detergent and like shampoo, conditioner. And we have these three really big drawers. So as you can see, super, super big. You can put so many stuff inside, which I did. So yeah, so many stuff, so many supplies that you can put in here. And yeah, we got the trash can. We got this like basket that I use for my laundry basket. So I didn't need to buy a laundry basket. But yeah, they give everyone this like yellow basket. And then I got my two luggages here, my lab coat, and my laundry detergent. And I put it in this small little bottle so that I can just bring it to the laundry room. So I don't need to carry that heavy one. And then we move on to the bed. So I got this heater. I used it a lot during winter and it was a game changer. But since it's hot right now, I don't really use it anymore. And we got the bed. We got like a duvet and we had to bring our own pillow. So I brought these pillow and a bolster from home. And we got the view. It's funny actually because my room's the only one with a curtain. I don't know why. But it makes it look a lot prettier. And ta-da! The view is so, so nice. You can see the city from here, which is worth the climb up the hill, I guess. And yeah, we got a little like bedside lamp-ish. Yeah, I got this box that I use as like my bedside table. So I just put like a tote bag over it. And then I got my journal there and my lotions there. And then I have this like rack that I bought from Kmart. So I got my jackets here and all the clothes that I've worn outside. And I got my shower cap over there, and some tote bags here, tote bags there, and my small bag over there. And I got my shoes and sandals, and yeah, that pretty much sums up my whole room. So there's the 360 view. And yeah, honestly, it's pretty big and spacious. And yeah, I'm really lucky to have this room because not all the rooms in this building are the same. And I'm really lucky to get one of the bigger rooms with a really nice view as well. So yeah. And that's all for the video. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found it useful, especially for those of you guys who are looking into going to halls next year. Alright, I'll see you in another one. Bye!